Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this fun and easy double stamp nail design. So I'm going to use my Cici and Sisi 01 nail plate, and I'm going to apply black polish and hollow polish, but I'm going to start with the black. And the black I'm doing because once I apply the hollow polish onto my nails, I want it to pop. So that's why I'm doing it with the black first. And you're seeing my thumbnail because I messed up and I applied the stamp design onto my pointer finger without realizing that I was doing a tutorial. So I said, let my little thumb get some shine. It hasn't been seen in a while. Now, as you can see, take your time doing this. It's not really easy to do a double stamp design. You have to have a steady hand and make sure that you have a clear jelly stamper. If not, you're not going to be able to do it the right way. And as you can see, it just came out so pretty. I love this look. I just never did this before, and I just thought, let me do something different. I have to say, I love the finished look of this. And once I was done, I removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy to follow and recreate. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.